So it says the motion asked for the hearing to be pushed to date after Simon is released from ICE custody to give Simon an opportunity to adequately prepare for court, participate in his own divorce, and attend court proceedings. Simon's lawyer argued the motion to enforce the prenuptial agreement is a substantive motion that requires finding of fact by this court. The outcome of the motion will also have a substantial effect on how the remainder of the divorce case proceeds, as it may be dispositive of some of the issues and results in litigation on others. His lawyer argued Simon seeks relief from the very in-person hearing he demanded, claiming inconvenience and unavailability. Husband's attempt to avoid the consequences of his own request is dangerous and a continuation of his pattern of delayed tactics throughout the litigation. But for Simon's specific request for an in-person hearing, the matter would have proceeded via Zoom, thereby eliminating his current objections. Husband is solely responsible for the in-person setting of the hearing, and his emergency motion for continuance is merely an attempt to evade his own strategic choice. Portia argued Simon did not need to be at the hearing. Husband's physical presence is not required for the adjudication of these issues. Husband has been continuously represented by legal counsel throughout his actions, and his presence at the hearing is not a legal prerequisite under Georgia law, his lawyer wrote. The reality star slammed her ex, her attorney wrote. Further, Georgia law does not confer any absolute right for Simon to attend hearings, and even if such a right is existed, it would be considered waived when Simon's unavailability is due to his own deliberate actions, including upon information and belief, his multiple attempts to illegally enter and remain in the United States, which resulted in the most recent detention. Granting a continuance under these circumstances would unfairly reward Simon for his consequences of his own actions. His lawyer noted, husband's detention by U.S. Immigration and Customs Enforcement is the direct result of his attempt to illegally enter the United States.